Hi planner friends, majority of you love my previous Hobonichi tips and tricks video. It has gained over 500 likes, really says a lot. And you know what, we're back at it again with another series of what you can do in your Hobonichi planner, and we will be talking about tasks. Have you ever found yourself writing the same incomplete task over and over again to the point where it feels like a chore? I have done that many times. It's not because we're lazy, it's just simply because life gets super busy. Sometimes that itself can be very unmotivating to see and hinders your success to stay organized. Planning should be a tool to help make your life easier. So if you find yourself writing incomplete tasks over and over again, it means that your current system isn't working out for you. And we need to step back and look at the bigger picture on why. I have these 3 possible ways to overcome those struggles that you may have and really help you save time and stay organized. So maybe it tells you you can do it. This is a vinyl sticker. You can definitely do it. Number 1 is not utilizing your habit tracker enough. I have set up where it says Monday to Sunday, habit 1, 2, and 3. It could be a task, it could be a habit of things that you want to do repeatedly throughout the week. Let's give you an example. Maybe habit 1 could be cleaning. And the second habit could be for laundry. Number 3 is a bin. So you take your trash clean. I estimate I want to clean every other day, so you would kind of put a dot Monday, Wednesday, Friday. For laundry, you can say maybe once a week. So Thursday is the clean laundry day. The waste company do come every Monday, so I would mark it on Monday. As day goes on, you will mark off the days that you actually have completed these tasks or habit. So I did clean on Monday. I did not clean Wednesday. Let's just leave it as that. I did clean on Friday and Sunday. For laundry, I did do laundry on Thursday, and for the last task, or taking the bins, I have completed. As you can see, that the ones that we completed are marked off as X, and the days that I didn't complete didn't mark off with an X. You can overview which days you have completed this task or habit, and this will give you a general idea of how well and productive you are for that week. Number 2 will be at the very top. This is like migrating your tasks easily within like a running to-do list down here. Bring down everything that's on your mind that you wish to do. You don't have to, there's no pressure. Write down all your tasks from first item to all the way down. Be wash car, take mail, wipe down the table, clean the closet, and so on. I have an idea that I want to complete this on Wednesday. So again, you put a little dot. Task 2, I want to complete it on Tuesday. Task 3, I want to complete it on Wednesday. Let's say you weren't able to do the task 1 until Friday. So what do? You can put an X here and draw a line so you can see that you have completed tasks on Friday. Originally you started on Wednesday, but you completed task Friday. Same with task number 2. Ideally you want to start on Tuesday, but you end up completing on Sunday. So you do that, cross and draw a line. Same for task 3, but you managed to complete on Wednesday. So what you do is put a little cross. So what happened if you weren't able to complete this week? Let's give you another task 4. Say ideally I want to start on Monday and I wasn't able to complete this week, so you just draw the line all the way to past Sunday, and this gives you an idea that this specific task wasn't able to complete for this week. And what do you do next is that you take this task and move it to the next week, so next page, which is the next week, and you write down task 1, whatever that might be. So next, number 3 is another way to keep track of your tasks and migrate easily. As you can see that here on the schedule week, I have dentist, I have migrated to the next day, and so forth. Originally, I wanted to do dentist on Monday. I put a little arrow meaning this task migrate to the next day, and this is migrate the next day. But if I end up not be able to go to dentist on that day, I would either circle it or use a highlighter to identify that this task wasn't complete for that day. Normally, I love colors using highlighter because it will help make the text pop out. For instance, call bank, I wasn't able to do it for that week, but I went through my plans for this week and see that this is a task I missed. I did not do. Highlight it with like a bright color, maybe green or yellow, easier to see at one glance, and you can take this task and migrate to the next page and you do that again. These 3 different methods is some of the ways that you can use keep track of some of your tasks, and you don't have to rewrite your task every single time, like every single day. By utilizing these methods, you will definitely stay organized and keep everything's in place. But yeah, let me know if you like this video. If you do enjoy this series, do make sure you hit the like button and comment if you have any question, and I'll see you next time.